For this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to edit your Google Slide gallery. So first step is to make sure that you have all the pictures downloaded to your iPad's camera reel. So I'm just sliding back here. So here's the paint drip project, your optional avatar for extra credit if you choose. You have your feather project, the nonahedrons, the architecture project, and then you should have a picture of your animal cup. So you'll need to take a picture of that so that you have it. If you need to find these images, the assignment dates are listed on this direction sheet. And then step number 2 is to make all these pictures transparent using the Remove BG website. So we will go into Google Chrome. In the address bar, search up removebg.com. So you should see a screen like this. Then you will click on Upload Image, hit Photo Library, and then you can pick the images. But remember, you don't have to have an avatar, it's just extra credit. You can see that there's the little boxes on the back, so you would just hold down with your finger on top of the image, hit Save Image, and that'll save it to your camera reel. Close that out, and then we're going to repeat this process for all of your other artwork. If you're trying to hold down on your image to save it and it's kind of doing this on you, click Download, click this download button up here in the corner, and then you can save it to your drive. Then you can go back to your drive, and then you'll see it there with the clear background. And then you can just save that by holding down on it to your camera reel. So remember, you'll need a picture of your animal cup. So I'm adding my picture into the Remove BG website to remove the background. It didn't remove all the background, so I can use the erase and restore brushes on the website to delete whatever I need to. I need to be very controlled with where I'm placing my finger to erase around my image. And then just like we did with the feather before, you'll have to download it onto your drive and then download it from your drive to your photo reel. Once you have all your pictures saved with the Remove BG website with clear, transparent backgrounds, step number 3 is to pick one of the gallery templates from the many options. You'll delete the other 4. Make sure you keep the direction slide and the template page slide. So you will need to go into Schoology and download the copy of the assignment. It'll be called GoogleSlide Gallery. And you'll click on the GoogleSlide icon at the bottom of that assignment. And when you open it up, you should see 8 slides, okay? 5 of them are your templates, and then you have the image template side, the direction slide, and then the Remove BG website. So looking at these different templates, you must decide which one you like best. So make sure you hold down, and you're going to delete these other templates. Make sure to keep your slides. Now, if we go to the direction page, step number 4 is to delete the image placeholders. So these placeholders tell you where your images can go, but you don't have to keep them there. So I'm just going to delete all of these. And then that way I have a blank slate. Step number 5 is to import all of your artwork into the gallery and crop as needed. So you go here, click the plus sign, hit Add Image from Photos, and then you're going to add your images. You can click on multiples. Okay, hit Add. And there, all your images are there. Okay. Now these 2 don't have the clear backgrounds, so we're going to have to make sure that we delete those and go back to the Remove BG website to make sure it's a clear background. So once you have your images on here, it's just a matter of moving them around to wherever you want. So you just drag from the corners to move things around. You will just have to be very controlled with where you place your finger to grab things, moving it around GoogleSlide. And you can use the little circle to rotate. Remember, you want to make these pretty small so that you can fit everything on here. So once I have all my images on my gallery, next step, then you can go to the template slide, pick your pedestal for your clay cup, and you can pick a frame for the architecture. So click on your image, hit copy, then over here you're going to click paste, then that's your frame. So you can rotate that to be the right direction for your piece. And I'm just making it so that way it fits right with my project. Now I need the pedestal, so I have lots of options. I like this pedestal here, so copy, paste. Now this needs to move to the front, that way it looks like it's sitting on top of the pedestal to make them overlap the way they should. Next step is to edit all the titles on the project tags. So on the template page, you have your project tags, so you will need to copy and paste each of these tags and arrange them where you would like. So remember, it's a lot of repeating with the copy and paste options. Now you need to use the keyboard to type in all your titles to your projects, remembering to change the red text to black. So for my paint drip, I thought oozing rainbow. For the elements and principles nonahedrons, I thought Gearhart logo. For the feather, I was thinking of pink paradise. And then for my animal cup, I simply named it the red squirrel cake topper. And for the architecture, I chose the X-Men Institute, since that is the building I actually created. Now on your clay project, you will need to actually measure the dimensions, the height, width, and depth with a ruler to be able to type in what its measurements are. I already did the measurements for all the other projects except for your clay project. Once you have all of your tags completed, and you also must make sure that you write your name and your sentences in the artist bio. So I'm going to do that now. So my name is Amanda Gearhart. Right here where it says you need to write 2 sentences, one to explain who you are as an artist, and then one to explain your favorite piece. Optional was to make an avatar. If you don't have an avatar, that is absolutely okay. You don't have to have one. So you could just have your artist bio down here in the corner, okay? If you want to be a little bit more creative, maybe you can grab one of these easels to make it a little bit bigger. And place your artist bio on the easel itself, if you like. You do not have to, but that can be your entire gallery. After that, you would delete all of these template slides and the direction slides, and you would submit this to the Schoology assignment. So make sure to click on the Schoology app. You're going to go to my course. You should see the assignment called GoogleSlide Gallery worth 10 points. And it'll tell you what everything is all worth for each point. Then you would just really need to submit it. You can also submit it from the sidebar, and you can see GoogleSlide Gallery is located there. If you have any questions, just let me know.